So today I've come to speak about my business. I'm hoping to meet other like-minded entrepreneurs as well and just do a bit of networking.
Events like this are really exciting for startups like myself. It gives you the opportunity to network and meet influential people, and also for startups like myself to express the hard work and commitment that they put into each business.
Events like this are really important to meet people who are doing similar sorts of things, business mentors, people from universities all across Wales.
It's always good to meet other graduates. I think when you're working away as a self-employed person, entrepreneur, you don't get a chance to connect always with other entrepreneurs. We get to see everyone and what they're doing.
I've had a lot of business mentors myself, and if it wasn't for events like this, I wouldn't have met them. So they're really, really good events.
For me, it's to celebrate the success of Jemima, and it's to highlight, the support that's available for the universities in Wales to help our students and graduates.
And I'm just super excited to be here to kind of see what other graduates are getting up to. I love hearing about what other young people are doing in business terms.
Well, as part of the Welsh Government's Economic Action Plan, we've made a commitment to developing a more entrepreneurial culture in Wales, and that starts from our youngest pupils to our students primarily as well. The focus of that work is about raising aspirations and understanding of business and enterprise as a potential career option. The support we have done is enable some of the institutions to develop their entrepreneurial capacity, working with the network of enterprise champions that exist within the universities to help graduates along that journey.
My first job was to develop business courses for students who wanted to become business owners. We've moved a bit on from that, and now courses are about the specialisms that students learn in university that are supported by business support from the university that surrounds the course. Students then go out and start their own businesses, and as we've seen in Wales, are more successful here than anywhere else.
It's great to be able to celebrate today the work of our graduate startups. We have a phenomenal track record in Wales in terms of the number of our graduates who go off to set up their own businesses and stay in business. We represent about 5% of the university's population, and our graduate population in terms of startups is much bigger. And it is wonderful to see the talent here today and to celebrate their achievements.